Hey there, campers. Just got over here to this closet, and I've had this tool out, and my good friend Scott has wondered if I was just going to throw this at him or what exactly it was for. It's a big metal bar. It's a part of something you can get if you purchase like an install kit for pre-finished flooring. But what it's for is it's got this wider side that you can put against the back side of a piece of wood that needs to get clicked in, but you can't really get a hammer back there to hit on it. So what it allows you to do, and I apologize because we're going to get cozy in here, but for Scott to be able to see what I'm doing, he's going to have to get here nice and close. What you can see is that when I slide this in, it doesn't drop all the way down. So you got to take this side of the bar, and there's a really cool little piece of like felt Velcro so that it doesn't scuff up the face of this. Once I've kind of got this where I want, it allows me to put that and spread out the surface of what I'm impacting so I don't break that little piece there. I can hit here. I have plenty of room to swing my hammer and get that piece to lock into place. So that's what this is for. Pull bar is what it's called. And I'm sure we can get a link up for you so you can find that product for your next installation.